Hello and welcome to Martin Maths. We've got the World Cup starting tomorrow, so we thought we'd do some football related lessons using the data about football. And we know with Opta and Panini and BBC, there's loads of graphs and websites dealing with football data at the moment. But we've got three important questions to answer. Who will win the World Cup? Who's going to be the top scorer? And who's got the best kit? And we can use a number of different ways of presenting the data: bar charts, pie charts, tally charts, and pictograms. My guest presenter is going to help me. What's the first one we've got there?
The first one we have here is a bar chart about best kit.
And we can see who comes out top there.
Nigeria.
Nigeria, fantastic. And what's next?
Next we have a pictogram about the best kit as well.
Again, the best kit, and again, Nigeria is coming up tops there.
Next we have a pie chart, which is
Pie chart showing who's going to be the winner.
Yeah.
And that shows Brazil to be predicted. So let's see how the results play out.
Next we also have another bar chart about who will
Who do you think will win the World Cup? And again, who's predicted there?
Brazil.
Brazil to win.
We have another bar chart about who has the best kit, and Nigeria won.
Okay, so at the moment, Nigeria coming out tops for the best kit. Brazil predicted to win. What else have we got?
We've got another bar chart about best kit.
Best kit, or I think best kit was that, and win is this. So Brazil to win with Nigeria. So that's a tally chart there and a bar chart here. Brazil to win, Nigeria the best kit.
And then here we have a people chart.
Or a pictogram.
Yeah.
Okay, and who do you think the best player at the World Cup is?
Ronaldo.
Ronaldo, Neymar, and Messi. Ronaldo voted top there. And lastly,
another bar chart about who will win, and it's Brazil.
Okay, so the last there's the bar chart. Brazil predicted to win. So let's see come July 15th. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.